Story number 2, we emit a visible light that vanishes when we die, says a surprising new study. Life truly is radiant, according to an experiment conducted by researchers from the University of Calgary and the National Research Council of Canada. An extraordinary experiment on mice and leaves from two different plant species has uncovered direct physical evidence of an eerie biophoton phenomenon, ceasing on death, suggesting all living things, including humans, could literally glow with health until we don't. The findings might seem a little fringe at first glance. It's hard to not associate scientific investigations into biological electromagnetic emissions with debunked and paranormal claims of auras and discharges surrounding living organisms. What's more, even in theory, visible wavelengths of light emitted by biological processes ought to be so faint that it's easily swamped by the intense shine of ambient electromagnetic waves in the environment and radiant heat generated by our metabolism, making it a challenge to actually track across an entire body. Still, University of Calgary physicist Vahid Salari and his team have claimed to observe just that, an ultra-weak photon emission, or UPE, produced by several living animals in strong contrast with their non-living bodies, as well as in a handful of plant leaves.
Yeah, I mean, woo-woo people know all about this.
Yeah.
It's like, we know about auras and light and chakras and rainbows and the light spectrum and then, if you want to get really down the woo-woo rabbit hole,
Mhm.
like light is life.
Mhm.
Light is consciousness. So yeah. I love that science is just catching up with
Well, that's why I put it in
spirit
there. It's
things.
interesting because we always talk about like how for this stuff, science, these two things are going to have to merge at some point in time.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
you're starting to see,
We're
I think
getting
you're
it.
starting to see a little bit.
They're getting it.